What's up guys, Mufasamos here, and I am using my selfie stick with my iPhone 4S. I know it's not the best, but I'm sorry I haven't recorded in a while. I've been busy and just I haven't known what to record. So today I'm going to do a walk around and a startup of my Ariens RM1032E riding mower. It's backwards, maybe, possibly. Maybe on YouTube. Hopefully it's not backwards though, because I don't like things to be backwards. But it has an 11-horse Briggs & Stratton engine, and this mower is very old. It's like 20, 30 years old. And right now I think I have like a half gas tank. Yeah, I think so. So here's my trailer. Here's my trailer, and I'm just getting used to this. That I use around everything. Last night, which is cool. I can transform this handle into a pull handle, and I have a hitch thingy right there. I can hook it up. This is I got this mower used for $80. I've been using it a lot. So let me just move my trailer out of the way. If you haven't seen my setup video, go check that out. It doesn't have my rider in it, but it has everything else. Should we say that? So let's move this back. Sorry you guys have to see this, but come on. I'm just moving it into the shade. This thing is heavy, but I guess my trailer can hold possibly, I think it's like 1,400 pounds. With a groundworks trailer, I forget the dimensions, crap like that. So, I'm gonna put you guys down for a second while I get this thing started up, because it is loud. No, this is actually a cold start, because I'm just turning on the gas right now. Alright, let's just let the gas run through real quick. I got my 3M noise cancelling headphones. This selfie stick actually works as a good tripod. Like, I have both hands, it's just sitting on the seat. Put it on my head, let the gas run through. I'm gonna choke it, prime it, whatever, 4 times, and put on my headphones. Right, so I'm going to take the parking brake off, disengage the blade, make sure that's disengaged, make sure it's in neutral, put it with the throttle on run, and turn the key. So here we go. I'm going to turn the blade on. Listen to the difference in sound. does that sometimes. It's just crap. What the crap? Being crap. It does that sometimes. Like if you kind of like heard it like throttling down and it would come back up, it does that a lot. I do have gas, so sometimes, yeah, it just does that a lot. Because it is a very old mower. But I just used it last night. That's the funny thing. So yeah, that was a cold start. Started out fine, but then I tried to run and sometimes like crap. Yeah. So like I said, sometimes. Hi. It's my cousin Isabel. A long time. 7? That's not that bad. Your bike takes like a minute. Seriously, it's on the street. How are you feeling? Good. Alright, so yeah. Goodbye. That's my Ariens around 1032E piece of crap rider. Forgot to check the oil before I started it up too. But yeah, we had to replace when we got it. We had to replace the battery because the battery was 3 years old. So we got one from Batteries Plus. Yeah, that's what it is. It's 12 volts, I think. We replaced the fuel line, and we put in, it didn't have a fuel filter, which is dumb. I mean, so we put in a fuel filter. We inflated the tires. Actually, we haven't put in the new blade yet, but he gave us an extra blade, so we got it sharpened. 4-cycle. I don't know what the tank holds, but yeah, 11 horse Briggs and Stratton. We redid the oil and crap. There's no oil filter, but we can't fix that. So we lubed everything. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like, subscribe, and maybe in the next video I'm going to start the snowblower. So, peace out. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe. Go check out Mr. Cut Lawn Care. I like to mow Hancock Lawn Care. Yeah, see you on the next one. Peace.